Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to styling your notification display on your iPhone. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your setting application right here. I just click it, and now you just need to scrolling down until you found the notification section, and this notification section you just need to go click it. Now to change or styling the display notification, you just need to take a look on this display as, and you just need to choose either you want to do count, stack, or list. So let's do it the count. If you want to have the count right here, they will be only pop up in the one sections whenever you lock the screens, and they will be like popping up ordinary by itself. And then for the stack, the old notification will be on the bottom side, while the newest notification will be pop up on the screen right after the old notification. And for the list, that will be like showing up into your whole screen on your iPhone. So that's the way how to set or styling your notification display on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.